To simplify and write the value of this expression, I get a common denominator. Forget a common denominator. I get my denominator 28 and 28. Here my denominator was 1, so denominator multiplied by 28. I have to do it for numerator, so it would be 28 times a square root of 2. Here, for the second term, the denominator multiplied by 2 gives me 28. So to keep the balance, I have to do it for numerator, so it would be 5 times 2 gives me positive 10 the square root of 2. And for the last one, multiplied by 4 multiplied by 7. 4 times 7 gives me 28, so I have to do it for numerator, so it would be negative 7 times 7 would be negative 49 square root of 2. Negative 49 square root of 2 plus positive 10 square root of 2 gives me negative 39 square root of 2. Now, negative 39 square root of 2 plus positive 28 square root of 2 would be negative 11 square root of 2 over 28.